If you want to create contact lists in Monday.com, the best method is to use the template center to create a dedicated CRM style board, providing immediate structure. Use the plus button here in your workspaces on the left side panel, right? And we're gonna select board. Next to board, you're gonna see new board, new multi-level board, or start with template. So I'm gonna hit start with template because it's much easier, right? All I'm gonna do is just search for contact, right? So you're gonna find the template here ready for you, okay? And you're gonna see like a little preview here of what you're gonna expect. If you liked it, you could just go ahead. If you like it, you could just go ahead and hit use template, and Monday.com will set that up for you. Okay, so wait for a few moments. Okay, and you can organize email, phone, status to effectively track interactions. Right. So basically, this is an example. The company, the title, contact, priority, high, medium, and of course their phone number. So consider liking this video, subscribe it. Until next time, see you.